Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to change background color in Notions, and it will be an updated tutorial as of 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here, if you want to change the background, there's a couple of methods we have. So there I'm going to give the easiest way to change your background. Like here you just need to click into the slash like there, and then search for BSC, and here actually you will find out the filter results. So here you can see we can make it red background, and we can provide the data as you can see. Hi, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Then you can change background color again. Similarly, just search for background, and here you can make it blue, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So in this way you can change your background. So if we want to change the background over here, how we can do it? We just need to be search it there. We just need to be search here PA. So it is not possible in here, but we can try this by clicking here. Let's try to it. So this is not possible, but in this way, like I am going to add a sample, and whatever you write in here between this, your text will be added here. Like here you can see it, that the background will be associated with the text. So in this way you can easily change background color in Notions. I hope the easiest way you loved it. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.